Hi everybody. I told my niece as she mailed this I was going to do a video of me opening it. And I have some bad news for all of you. I'm not the end of it. I know there's a lot of you that kind of were hoping I kind of kick off when I had my strokes. That didn't happen. Anyway, oh my god, my own niece doesn't know how to spell my name. Go for it, Cindy Pay. Go for it. Anyway, you know, it's kind of funny. She is exactly like me. Exactly like me. She has my sense of humor, guys. She has my personality. Yeah, there's another one out there. But she asked me, my sister passed away June or July? July 13th. And, my niece asked me, what is in this box over here the mom has that's addressed to you and it's all taped up? I said, well, she told me it was some scrapbook stuff, but I told her not to send it, to give it to my other niece, her oldest daughter, who has her own daycare business. I said, because I really don't need anything else. She said, boy, she taped this thing up good. I said, don't you dare send that to me. Do not let her get one up on me, because there's no way I can pay her back because she's passed away. She sent it. I'm honestly scared to open it. There's no telling what's in this box. This doesn't look like it would be scrapbook papers, does it? And that's what she said it was scrapbook papers. I think she was lying. I hope she wasn't. I hope she was telling the truth. But anyway, Cindy, we bought all these pens. There is X-Acto knives. I haven't really used them much. I bet I get into this faster than you thought I would. So here we go. We're gonna try. Jesus, I hate duct tape. I'm gonna try. I hate duct tape. Oh my god. I'm not gonna be getting into this mess. Aha, look at there. I got a hole opened. Whatever's in here, I'm probably gonna cut it all off. Oh, come on. How many layers did she put on here? Oh my god, Cindy, this isn't her ashes, is it? No, you haven't had time to get them back yet. Okay. If it is, I'm sending them back to you. Oh, look here. Oh, shoot. I can't do it. I have become the package opener pro. But I still have, 2 more boxes to send to you of the family history stuff. I'm going to the Dollar Tree. I'm going to buy some duct tape. This is going to work. If you see these pens on Temu, buy them. They really do cut. And they're different sizes of X-Acto knives. I'm going to move my hand because I know if I slip, I'm going to cut myself up. Oh my god. What is that? 5 layers of tape? Really? This one might do it. This was nuts. I'm getting in this box faster than I normally would, so these little pins work good, especially if you don't have strength in your hands. Looky there, Sunny Pie. Oh, pretty it is, scrapbook stuff. Sorry, Dreamer, you're not getting it. There's some washi stickers. A whole bunch of plastic bags. What is this? Oh, the little Wonder Girl. I think it's the advertisement thing. The Christmas stickers. Yes, it was back at Christmas time that she said she was going to send this. I don't know, it was like a face mask. Those are Christmas buttons. Okay. Cindy, you should have opened it. Do I want to open this? Oh my goodness. Another box full. Oh good, a corner rounder. Mine broke. Good timing. Did she send me back the giveaway she won on me, or did she win it on somebody else? Or she just recycled the bag? Well guys, if you had a lady named Nancy Brown coming to your channel watching you, that was my sister, because that's not my handwriting. And I didn't send this out, so she won this giveaway from somebody's channel. If y'all know who it is, let me know. But she passed away June 13th, I believe it was. July. I keep saying June. It was July. She was diagnosed with cancer the week prior. And she didn't last a week. Maybe a little over a week. It just seemed terribly short and shocking. And I guess I'm still a little in denial over it because I picked up the phone to call her this morning. This is beautiful. Okay guys, whose handwriting is this in the crafting roll? Wow. Oh, that's pretty. There is actually a little bit. Well, nope, that's not what I had. I had similar to this. So, okay, whoever did this giveaway gets stuff from Safia also. Wow, this is beautiful. Anyway, Sunny Pie, thank you for sending it. And you see how fast I got into it? Na 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 boo boo. Oh, these look like little kids. Mushrooms? I don't know. They're little wooden girls. Aren't they adorable? No, I never had these. I wouldn't have gotten rid of these. So whoever had Nancy Brown come into your chats, and I know she used that name because her name is on the bag, is the one who won the giveaway. It says paid, so this was in there. 22963 zip code. Anyway, I don't have any idea where that is. I told Cindy I would do a video opening it. It's kind of depressing and sad, but I did it. And it didn't take me as long to get into it as we thought it would. So she didn't get the last one on me. I got into it pretty fast. Thank you, Cindy Pay. Watch for your next box coming your way. Thank you for watching, everyone. And sorry, I miss her. I miss her a lot. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.